Hello, good morning to all of you, my dear coach. Welcome to the day 3. So, today we learn about, or today we are launching our first offer, right? So, in that, you have to write down, decide your starting package. That means we are giving the one basic package. That basic package should be easily available for everyone and anyone can pick up, right? So, make sure that you have to identify the 3 titles of your package with the help of ChatGPT. Second important thing, you have to decide the price. How to decide the price? It depends on how many number of sessions you are delivering to your clients. You are delivering the 4 sessions, 1 month, 3 sessions, 6 sessions, 8 sessions, or otherwise, if you are interested like me, I am conducting the 3 days workshop or I am conducting the full 3 days training. So full 3-day course is also better opportunity to give the clients because of a weekly 1 session, weekly 2 sessions depend on according to time availability. So better way I am implementing the 3 days plan. So I designed the first course blueprint prism for the 3 days. So according to you can decide your duration and number of sessions, but we need to decide that. Third important things, what is the output we are giving in that course? That means like I'm designing one of the course for the freshers. If they learn that 3 days course, in that 3 days course they will understand what type of questions are asking during the interviews, what are the technical skills we need to prepare. Second important thing is how to build a confidence. Fourth, how to improve our communication, how to maintain our positivity in our mind. So these are the outputs of my this basic course. So you can decide according to your niche. So what are the basic results we are delivering to the clients? Okay, got it? You have to give the prompt to the ChatGPT. In that prompt you have to decide that create prompt is, you have to just enter in the ChatGPT, create 3 packages name for my and description for my all the packages. So and recommend me which one is a better or topmost. I can use that name for my the courses. Okay, like those are doing the courses from the Pooja. She has given the coaching mastery. These courses are like a coaching mastery. Some people are knowing the Siddharth Rajshekhar. So if you are following those people, so they are also creating a 3 days course. They are also creating a 2 days course. So we are just following the same structure. We can create the 3 days, 2 days, 5 days course, and it should be a minimum. If you are creating a 3 days course, you can mention the price up to 5,000 rupees, not beyond that. And if you have the already practice, you are running the executing the clients, you already have the experience, then you can start with the 5,000 to 8,000 rupees or 8 to 10 between. There is no issue. Okay, it totally depends on your experience. It totally depends on your own confidence. I have started my courses with the 500 rupees. I am giving 4 to 6 sessions in the 500 rupees. Then I come to the 1999. After that I come to the 499. After that I come to the 399. Now the range I have decided that 4999. Right? So totally it depends on performance. If you got the 1 to 2, 3 client, 4 client, automatically after the getting some clients, your confidence will get improved, and after building some little bit of confidence, you can change your packages. It's your choice totally. But make sure that the minimum cost should be a 3 days and the price should be 5 to 10,000 rupees. Got it? It's your choice. You can decide anything what you want, but then make sure that it should be a compatible price for India. Okay? Thank you so much. And share me that final template, name, price, duration, and their description. Okay? In the morning we are writing some questions. What are the number of questions you want to deliver, or you think that yes, these are the questions I need to help the people for these points. So you can combine all the questions as your